Hello children, let me move on to our Unit 1 Part 2, Conserve our environment. What is conservation of environment? Conservation of environment means to protect all things that found in nature. It means we have to use our earth's natural resources like water, minerals, soil, wildlife and forest carefully. We can also conserve our environment by following steps like reduce, reuse and recycle. First, we should try to reduce the waste we make. This will help us to conserve our environment easily. We can also separate our waste at home to keep our place litter free and clean. We should separate the waste at home into three categories. They are biodegradable, recyclable and non-recyclable wastes. Biodegradable such as leftover food and vegetable waste can be broken down naturally to create compost. Recyclable waste such as paper, glass and metal can be made into new useful products. Non-recyclable wastes such as plastic waste should be kept separate and this should be reduced as much as possible. Is the plastic harmful to our environment? Not only plastic itself is harmful, but using too much of it is very harmful to our environment and it will cause us pollution also. One-time used plastic causes heavy pollution, so it is good to avoid or reduce one-time used plastics. You have to ask question on yourself before you start buying the plastic item. Is this plastic going to be used one time or many times? If you can able to use it only once, better try to avoid buying such plastic items. Plastics in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is leading the way in India by banning some one-time used plastics. List of items banned in Tamil Nadu are plastic bags, plastic plates, water pouches, plastic straws and plastic sheets. Use of these plastic items will litter our environment and very difficult to recycle. Environmentally friendly materials. We can always use materials which are good for the environment. These materials are called environmentally friendly materials or eco-friendly materials. These things can be decomposed or broken down by microorganisms or biodegradable. They can return back to the soil and become food for the plants. Examples are leaf plates, bamboo bags, bamboo dustbins, bamboo toothbrushes, plantain leaf, stainless steel water bottle and snacks box, etc. These materials are safer than plastic and can be reused for a longer period of time. Litter-free environment. Litter is very ugly to look and causes pollution in our environment. Wind and rain moves litter in our surroundings into drains, rivers and lakes and finally ends up polluting the ocean. It is very dangerous to the animals. Not littering is the best way to keep our environment clean. NGC. The full form of NGC is National Green Corps. It is a national program initiated by the Government of India. Its motto is, where there is green, there is prosperity. NGC school students' duty is to protect and promote the conservation of natural resources by actively participating in activities such as managing waste and conservation of forest. I hope you all have understood the topic conserve our environment. Thank you children.